Galpin Ford is the #1 volume dealership in the world for 23 consecutive years. We have the largest inventory of new Fords to choose from. Here's the vehicle for you.
Always inspiring and infinitely empowering, the Ford Fusion refuses to fit the four-door sedan mold. You'll find excellent driving dynamics and agile handling thanks to innovative features that inspire confidence and ramp up your driving fun. Choose from 5 models, starting with the S and moving through the top-of-the-line Platinum. Choice is what makes the Fusion different. In addition to the standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, Fusion now has 3 turbocharged direct-injected EcoBoost engine options. Add paddle shifters to control the drive and maximize your Fusion's efficiency. The cabin is tech-savvy with available voice-activated Sync 3 technology to keep you entertained and connected. The standard rear-view camera helps you see things you might otherwise miss. No matter what model you choose, your Fusion helps keep you safe. It got a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety named it a top safety pick. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build a Fusion that's all yours. The Ford Fusion. Step up and stand out.
Great deals, great service, and great people. That's what makes family-owned and operated Galpin Ford #1. Proudly serving the Los Angeles area for over 60 years. Galpin Ford has thousands of vehicles, and to better assist our customers, a friendly professional staff that speaks 21 different languages. When you visit, be sure and take advantage of our many amenities, including the horseless carriage restaurant and full-service Starbucks. Call, click, or visit Galpin Ford today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.